one of the things that was stopping me, because I experienced both uterus and prostate, or the chalice, for me to start dropping into that, was the sheer wall of emotions. It was, if you kind of think of the breasts and the heart of this on a heart level, and the emotional level is here, but that is dropping into the uterus as the base for that, and it somehow went right back into childhood and everything around family, lovers, and I think it's past lives as well. A highly emotionally charged organ. And that may be why there's so much disease there. That you have to confront that level of emotion, because that is a key to being able to drop into the chalice. I'm just going to call those two organs together as a chalice. It just makes it so much easier for people to drop into their chalice. And building up to this webinar, it did occur to me that, or it became very apparent, to be honest, that beyond the age of having babies, I think it's important to be able to utilize your chalice. I can't even say the words. It's important to utilize your chalice as a vehicle for God. I think after you've had children, or even before, it's really good or important to utilize it on an energy level to keep it healthy. It's got to work. It's got to have a job. And it's not just for producing babies. I think I will run the Checkers webinars again, because I've discovered a site there that's a huge chalice. And when those energies first went off, it was exactly that, and it went through my chalice, and it basically, beings, light, energies were coming down into that chalice as a place for life to be created and become manifest. And I think it's important to be able to use that for both men and women, to use that. Maybe you're not creating something directly in front of you, but allowing that energy to come through you. And it may not be created around you in your life, but it will come into the earth and the earth plane, so that a new reality, because we really need a new reality before we destroy ourselves. So you might not see, it's not like where you're personally, well, it will create health for you. I mean, me channeling holographic breathing is what has stopped me from dying. And I mean, I can really feel it when I say that. I can feel the energy speaking. Me channeling and putting out holographic breathing saved my life. And the more I channel it, the more I put it out, the more it clears that disease and the memories of that disease and diseases as a whole. If you use your chalice for channeling, it's not like, oh, I'm creating money, or I'm creating a new partner, or I'm creating the house, or different things. Those may come with it. But it's more on a global level. It's feeding out into everything around you. You become a mother for everything. You become a mother for the divine. And we used to. Oh, it comes into our head. But really, you've got to get it deep into your being. You've got to get it right down into your chalice, because that is where the manifestation happens. That is where it gets manifested. So that's kind of what we're doing here. I didn't know that's what we're doing here, but it's now becoming apparent. All right, so we're going to be doing more of that.